Let's go ahead and try this mobile option on my cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and just run a little video here for you. And we're going to look at my desk and we're going to use my phone. I'll zoom in so you can see it. These are the components that are in the web browser, but now they're on a small device. Click Order Status. So here's a view of order status, and I want to look at a specific order. I'm a sales guy out in the field. I want to see if my order is shipped. There it is. I'm looking, oh yeah, it did, it shipped. And when did it ship? Come down here. And you can see down at the bottom there, 4/27, that's when this order shipped. And then I'm out. That's pretty quick.